So friends, and welcome to our channel. If you guys facing the PlayStation network sign-in problem, or the PlayStation servers are not working, or PlayStation's games are also not working today, so guys watch this video till end, because in this video I am showing you why this problems and why this error problems is coming in PlayStation and what are the solution of these problems. So guys, you can watch this video till end. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So the first step is restart your PS5 or PS4 completely. Number 2, restart your router, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then reconnect. Number 3, test your internet connection settings, then network, then connection status, then test internet connection. Number 4, sign out and sign back into your PlayStation network account. Number 5, try changing DNS. Number 6, update your PlayStation system software. Number 7, if only one game is affected, check that game server separately. But all the games are not working, so check PSN server status. If it's a server side outage, you will need to wait for Sony to fix it. And you have to wait for some minute or an hour, because the PlayStation team working on fixing the server. So you have to wait for some minute or an hour, and this problem will automatically fixed by the PlayStation team. Do like this video?